Colistin is a medicine of last resort, used to save people's lives when all other drugs have failed.
It was used a bit in the clinic, and then there were some worries about toxicity and side effects, and it was mostly used in agriculture, then in pigs and a bit in chicken. But recently, as we're running out of drugs, people actually have become more interested again in using it, and it's been used quite extensively recently over the last 5-10 years in the clinic.
But even this powerful antibiotic is losing its potency. Deadly pathogens like E. coli or Salmonella can mutate and develop resistance to drugs. The new study, led by Balu at University College London, identifies the speed at which the mutant gene that gives resistance to colistin emerged in the mid-2000s.
There was a single emergence, only once. It happened once, and it jumped very, very likely from pigs, probably in China, and it spread extremely rapidly throughout the world. And it also spread in all sorts of different species that infect humans. So now we find it in many of the most important pathogens we face in hospitals. And it is absolutely everywhere now.
The resistance has even been found in pathogens in the seawater on Brazilian beaches. This study focused on just one resistant gene. Many pathogens are developing other forms of resistance. Britain's chief medical officer warned recently that antimicrobial resistance could lead to the end of modern medicine.
Think about common operations, caesarean sections, replacement hips. Those would become much more risky if we did not have effective antibiotics. Superbugs kill, and they're on the rise.
Scientists are working on boosting existing drugs like colistin to give them added power against resistant pathogens. Longer term, researchers say more investment is needed in developing new drugs, along with rethinking the way antibiotics are used in agriculture and in the clinic. Henry Ridgwell for VOA News, London.